Today we are replacing the front motor mount behind the, what's that thing called? Radiator. Plastic rivets. Is that what those things are called?
Just clips.
Your oil pan. So we're just going to jack up the motor, and what that should do, if we got this right, is it should separate this plate right here where we just took the two bolts off. It should separate that from the motor itself.
Might have to change another motor mount.
It looks like it's lifting the whole fucking plate.
It's lifting everything. The whole motor. So
You always have to be concerned about room for activities when doing these types of jobs.
extra room for activity.
What we decided to do along the way was take off the comes disengaged from the motor and the unibody or whatever the hell that's connected to. All right, so we have gotten these two nuts. Are these nuts or bolts?
Bolts.
Oh.
We'll edit that out.
All right, so we got these two bolts back on. The bolt down there on top of... Damn, that's a nut. All right, start over. All right, so we have these two nuts back on.
Bolts. I think it's starting right now.
3 bolts down there that are all... And down underneath there are 3 bolts. And down underneath there are 3 fasteners.
You have the key on?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Flashlight hammer. Comes in handy.
Fucking whore! Very easy, very simple process. And if you got a lot of time on your hands and money, just replace all this shit while you're in here. You think I could pass this off as new? Take it back? Spray paint it? Spray paint it?
Chrome spray paint.
I wonder if you get core for these.
I don't think so.
There you go. Torque wrench. Okay. Impact. Not okay. Remember, kids. Impact gun, not okay. If you like the work we're doing here, you can actually make an offer on this bag of tools, bolts, and nuts. Buddha is willing to let it go for the right price. So, if you like what you see here, make an offer. Go to www.greenbuddha.com and hit the make offer button.
I don't know where
It's the only button on there.
Right, it's just a big offer.
What are you looking for, dude?
Protection.
Proper eye protection is always recommended. Definitely. Alright, once the axle nut was on, which is a funny name to call it because there's not really an axle on these Cadillacs, but once the axle nut's on and tightened, time for the...
To jack the car up because it's too low now.
it's time to check the car out because it's too low now to put the tire back on.